Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, Jihanada Aulia. Please allow me to convey regarding the reflection of the learning experience of the Field Experience Practice 1 course, which is located at Senior High School 7 Malang. The first reflection question is number 1. What learning experience are useful and interesting? In my opinion, useful and interesting learning experience in PPL 1 are as follows. First, insight into the school environment, management system, and learning practice of the student teacher, including observation of lesson plans, classroom management, and effective teaching methods. Second, direct teaching experience at Senior High School 7 Malang, which helps in applying lecture theories and adjusting learning strategies to real conditions. Third, insights from observation and interview with various school parties regarding academic and non-academic policies, which support the development of students. Question number 2. What learning experience are useful but less interesting? In my opinion, useful but less interesting learning experience during the PPL 1 course are as follows. First, conditioning a noisy class, especially with students who are active or difficult to focus. Although this taught me how to handle a less conducive class. Second, adjusting the learning schedule with the PPL LMS, which sometimes does not synchronize with the school schedule, thus requiring confusing self-adjustment. Thirdly, encouraging students to actively respond in group discussion, which was quite tiring as many of them were still shy to speak in front of the class. Although less interesting, this experience is still a valuable learning to face challenge in the world of education. Question number 3. What learning experience were interesting but less useful? An interesting but less useful learning experience in PPL 1 was the involvement in the school's 42nd anniversary celebration. This activity was interesting because it provided an opportunity to see the creativity of students and interact more closely with them outside the classroom. However, in terms of PPL 1 learning, this activity was less useful because classroom learning was cancelled for 3 consecutive days, reducing the opportunity for observation and teaching assistance. In addition, the focus of the activity was more on competition than teaching practice. Although it still provides insight into the school culture and the balance of academics and extracurricular activity, the benefits for developing teaching skills were relatively small. Question number 4. What learning experience are uninteresting and useless in the context of being a prospective teacher? In my opinion, there is no learning experience that is not interesting and useful during PPL 1 at Senior High School 7 Malang. All the experience I gained during this activity provide benefits in shaping my competence as a prospective teacher. Every activity, be it observation, teaching assistance, to involvement in various school activity, has valuable learning value and is relevant to the work of education. Although there are some experiences that may feel more challenging or less in line with initial expectation, I still find benefits from every process undertaken. Question number 5. What has happened? During the PPL 1 course, there are 5 main activities that have been carried out. First, PPL 1 orientation to get to know the management system, school culture, and intra and extracurricular activity at Senior High School 7 Malang. Second, PPL 1 observation to understand the phenomenon of learning and the school environment as a whole. Third, teaching assistant in which students help their student teacher in carrying out their teaching duties. Fourth, guide learning practice, which is teaching training under the guidance of student teacher. and supervisor through a cycle of planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. Fifth, the final reflection discussion, which aims to evaluate the experience and obstacles during PPL1 for future improvement. Question number 6. Why does this happen? Activities in PPL1 occur because they have a specific purpose. PPL1 orientation is conducted to explore information about Senior High School 7 Malang. Observation is carried out so that PPG students can understand learning phenomena that affect teaching success. Teaching assistance aims to provide direct experience in assisting the duties of student teacher. Guided learning practice are carried out so that students can practice teaching with intensive guidance. Meanwhile, the final reflection discussion is conducted to evaluate the experience during PPL1 so that students can find out the strengths and weakness as material for improvement for the next PPL. Question number 7. If I were to teach or discuss this topic considering the principle of student-centered meaningful learning, what change would I make? If I teach with the principle of student-centered meaningful learning, some changes I can make are as follows. First, prioritizing learner-centered learning by meeting their needs and involving them more in the learning process. Second, implementing differentiated learning by considering the cultural background, developmental stakes, ability, and learning needs of each learner. Third, using creative, innovative, flexible, and efficient learning models, methods, and media to create learning that liberates learners. Thus, I can convey, hopefully it can be useful knowledge in the future. If there are errors in the delivery process, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.